What's up, familia? ¿Cómo están? Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time visiting, my name is Jessica, and today we are quarantine cooking with my Costco haul. These recipes will mostly be using canned goods, okay, or foods that you can find in your pantry, and of course at a lower price point, and they will be super easy. During this coronavirus pandemic, we need to get a little creative here, you know? We need to stay at home, stay safe, and we need to get creative with what we have, right? But for me, I gotta have food that tastes good. You know what I mean? I can't just be eating out of a can. That life isn't for me. But you know, funny story is when I first met Chad, he's gonna hate me for this story. We were in college, okay? So maybe that's why, I don't know. But he used to only eat canned food. I mean, you name it. Canned sardines, canned vegetables, canned soups. We're not doing that. Okay, so this first recipe is going to be a black bean bake. So let's just get started. So you can probably tell Costco size. You know what I'm talking about? Obviously, you might have, you know, a normal can size, but we are pandemic cooking here, okay? We're gonna make this light and fun and also helpful for you as well. So these are the ingredients you're going to need. You're gonna need some olive oil in addition to these things. This is going to be a smoky, spicy black bean sort of dip and sort of snack that you can have that's also, you know, full of protein and also satisfying because we need those little bits of joy right now. Like, I need it. I need these little bits of joy. So the main thing here is gonna be the smoked paprika. Smoked paprika is gonna give it that real good taste. We're also going to be using a cast iron for this. If you don't have a cast iron, you can use any sort of pan and then use a bake dish. So we're gonna bake this afterwards. So just use whatever you have on hand. So first things first is we're gonna open up these cans and get started with chopping up our garlic. I always wash the tops of them because, you know, you never know. She's a big mama. Oh my God, my hand hurts. All right. This one too. I'm gonna drain and rinse these beans off and I'll be right back. I know what you're thinking, that's a lot of frijoles. You're gonna wanna stay tuned till the end of the video for a sneak peek into the next recipes showing you how I use these bulk canned items in different ways. Garlic. I hate it and I love it. I hate chopping it, but I really need a garlic press or something. Any garlic chopping gadgets, recommendations, leave them below in the comments for me, please. All right, this is a new angle for me. I brought you guys over here to my stovetop, so we're gonna start here. I'm gonna turn on my cast iron. We're gonna go ahead and do a little saute of our garlic just to get that fragrant going. Put a little olive oil. You don't want your garlic to burn. Turn to low heat if necessary. Once we start smelling that garlic amazingness, add in your tomato paste and seasonings to release some of those flavors too. Keep stirring till it heats through and combines well. We are releasing more flavor from the tomato paste and the spices. Then carefully add about a half a cup of water to make the sauce. Be careful not to burn yourself here, the water can spatter out. And keep stirring until it looks like this. Next, we'll add our black beans that have been drained and rinsed. Fold them carefully. Add a quarter cup of water if you feel that it's too dry or the sauce simmered out too much. All right, so you wanna make sure to taste, just to make sure you have a good enough salt, pepper, whatever it is that you need. Everyone's different with that, you know. Yeah, for me, it needs more salt. You know, if it seems a little dry, you can always add just a little bit more water. So then I'm just flattening it out, just like this. We're here at the best part. We're gonna add some cheese. We're gonna add cheese all over the top and then just cover it with a lid. So just start doing it like that. So just be generous here, you know what I'm saying? I'm using about 1.5 cups, and then just take a lid and just cover it. And we're gonna let it sit and simmer for maybe give it like 8 minutes. What we want is for the cheese to melt. So when the cheese has melted completely, then we're gonna toss it in the oven and just get that nice crispy top. I really can't wait. I'm gonna get my chips ready. While that's simmering, go ahead and turn on your broiler to 525 degrees. Once the cheese has melted, just pop it in for 2 to 3 minutes. And watch it closely. We don't want to burn the cheese. I think we're ready. Oh my gosh. Yes. I can't wait to dig in, but while it cools down, I think that this would be so good with tortilla chips or, you know, even a little tortilla with some veggies. Obviously, you can build on this recipe and add whatever you want in it. Like you can add some protein in there, add some more vegetables, but I just wanted to keep it with canned goods and also at a very kind of economical price range, just so that anyone can make this recipe with whatever you might have in your pantry and still have fun and still kind of like, I don't know, it kind of reminds me of Super Bowl food a little bit. I mean, there's so many ways you can eat it, but you know my sister in the Costco haul. If you haven't seen that video, I'll link that up here. We have Doritos and I also have some crackers here too. Well, how about we just taste this just to see? Looks so hot, might burn my mouth. Oh my God, I haven't had a Dorito in so long. All right. This is scorching hot. I'm gonna burn my mouth. How do those people do it on TV? No. Me voy a quemar. Hot. Oh, so good. So good. I probably have it all over my face right now. So good. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this is helping you and I hope this brings a little bit of joy while you're at home with your loved ones, and I hope you can bring some happiness and joy to them as well. Stay safe during this pandemic. Also, if you're wondering what I'm gonna do with the rest of this huge can, because this is a lot. This is mega restaurant size, you know what I mean? Tune in tomorrow and the next few days I'll be doing some more of these coronavirus quarantine cook with me videos. I hope that these help you and I hope that you'll join me for this rest of this week. Make sure to subscribe. Yes, please. I hope that you subscribe and you become a part of this family that's growing here on YouTube. Thank you all so much for your support and your love and just kind of this connection we have during this time, and I hope we can continue that. So here's a little sneak preview to the next video. I have my sister here today.
Hi. We got nothing else to do. Let's just cook. But is it chicken or fish?
I wonder if they even know what elote loco is. It was so good. Like, it was so lemony.
Oh my God, and tasty. And
is that a word? That's not a word.
Take a bite of your sandwich and then get your little Doritos chip.
Yes! And your mouth is watery.
Me too. You used 2 limes and some of that?
Yeah. Thank you all so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Ciao. I am going to continue eating this and bring my family over here because the whole house smells so good. Put my hair. Wind blown, you know? Oh.